had to start my English speaking journey from zero in 2026, this is exactly what I would do. A few years ago, I couldn't speak English confidently and felt so difficult, and I was scared of making mistakes. But if I had to start my English speaking journey absolute zero, I wouldn't waste my time to overthink about it. I just focus on five things, and I would definitely do. First, I wouldn't stop waiting for the perfect time. Most beginners spending their months waiting for the perfect time. They think I'll start speaking after learning grammar rules. I'll start speaking after becoming a confident English speaker. But let me ask you one question. How can you become a confident English speaker if you never speak? I know confidence doesn't come before action. Confidence comes after action. When I'll take a action, definitely I'll become a confident English speaker. So I never think about whatever I'm making mistake. I'll start my journey from zero. I hope you get understand. So here's the second. I would use simple words, not a complex, not an advanced level. Most beginners think about when I'll use the difficult and advanced level words, definitely look so smart and become a confident English speaker. How? You are not looking smart. You are not a smart because you are fumble. Because you are fumble. At the starting, I'll use only simple words to have a conversation, to have a better conversation to someone. If you want to talk them, so you have to use simple words that people will get understand. Third, I would never compare myself with a fluent English speaker because I know I'm facing the same situation they have already done. That's why they became a confident English speaker and they are inspiring so many people and they are biggest inspiration to others. I want just a copy. I will admire by them. I will inspire by them. They are speaking so well. So why do I need to compare myself for the first chapter with the someone else 20th chapter? I would only comparing myself with the yesterday's version of me. Yeah, मैं अपने yesterday से compare करूँगी ना कि किसी fluent English speaker से. I'll definitely admire by them. So what do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. But wait, fourth and fifth one is my favorite. You have to follow every single day. So here's the fourth. I wouldn't care about people judging me. Yeah, I listen every opinions. I listen their advice and suggestion. But I never think about when they will criticize me, when they will laugh at me. I won't think about it. I have already told you. I'll start my journey because they won't make me my future. They won't make me a confident person. So let them laugh because it's their turn. They will just laugh and I'll become a confident English speaker. And I think it's interesting. I'll always try to make a rhyming words. If you want to watch fifth topic, hit the subscribe button. Last but not the least, I would make English part of my daily life. Most beginners think when I'll study for 2 hours, 5 hours, definitely I'll become a confident English speaker, but not at all. I wouldn't study for an hour. I'll just live with this language. Whatever I have watched, whatever I have done, whatever I have experienced, I'll share with you all. And I'll start my English journey as I told you from zero. I'll record myself for 100 days. I'll take a challenge to become a confident English speaker. If you are a beginner, so you have to take a challenge. Not to record a only long video. You have to just take a challenge for record a short video where you can post it. If you are not comfortable on Instagram, you can post your video on Facebook. You can post your video on Snapchat. Seriously, and it will help you. Remember this quote, and it's my quote. No one teach you as you want. My voice gonna hoarse because I'm suffering from cold cough. And you know what? Rhyming words will help you a lot. Sorry for guys. And now it's time to go. Guys, if you want to become a productive English speaker, just like me, so let me know in the comments. Yes, Shweta, I am. And the most important thing you have to do, hit the bell icon and hit the subscribe button. Share it with your friends who needs confidence and courage. I hope this video is helpful for you. Bye for the day. See you later.